Since when God call you? If God don't open your eyes in your family to see demon of poverty, raise up your hand. There is a lot of demon. Even floor demon. Skeleton demon. The most tallest demon on earth is the demon of poverty. And Esa and Bini call it also. Demon of poverty, very tall, is a tallest demon. That's how you see, if you did not have that grace to bring it down, the family still remain poor. You see yourself raised before you come down. Your children want to move forward, they come down. Demon of poverty doing it. Because when it turn, no matter you take fast and pray, he will use the hand like this. But when you have the power to deliver yourself out of them, you will from the roots break them. And when the one that live in your family break, you will not suffer. Suffer to trade, they are not seeing the money. It's the demon of poverty causing it. If it be your family, no one will succeed in that family. Or your area, it must affect you. They call it also. Then that also from Isha, it comes from this side in mother womb. He died more than 7 times. And from inside the mother womb, they attend the kingdom, the coven, till he was born. That is the demon of war also. And in English called it demon of poverty. Is the most tallest that all the demons on earth. If you are a child of God who has the gift to see the physical and spiritual, you will know what I'm saying. Then you will see the one that be in your family. When you just pray, it's like you are noisy. Then if you want to put you in prayer, if the prayer they affect her, you just stretch your hand. You that are praying since you just see yourself dozing. How you see? If I raise prayer, if I see anybody they sleep around me, I don't want. As you don't want to out of where you are, I want to out of where I am. Then I must pursue you the demon inside you. Get up, we'll go to pray against the demon of poverty. Drama call it a demon of standard. You will not move forward, you will not go back. It's a demon of what? Poverty. You just remember where you are. Because when it's straight, come out. The truth for what you go do, you only remain in one place. And when that spirit is disturbing your family, sign to move forward, you are just wasting time. Then when you succeed to break it before light will come. Before I succeed to break the one in my family, God open my eye to see it. Only one person come out to say he want to buy car. They hang it. My own father want to buy car. The car's condemning on a road. He did not reach us. Then my step brother again, that my father first wife, he want to buy car, the last born from Kano here. As he call home, not just a good car, motor, vehicle. Now if he put everything in order, because say Christmas I will bring the car. I don't succeed to buy car. Car when they buy 11,000 na car. He bring all the parts to couple that car. He even they dance to say he buy car. As he tested the car, he have a serious fatal accident. Trailer press him and his friend inside the car finish on there. In fact, that boy died instantly there with the car. The car did not even come house. They only show us the picture. Then now, as he died, the elderly brother now say, I can't bury my brother in Kano when I'm alive. He now carry the dead body, wrap the dead body, carry the dead body, put her for this lorry, this big lorry, when they carry cow to Benin. He now bed there. Please, we now tie this dead body. He now pay them. They now tie the dead body, John the cow, put them for up. As As this body they receive air, my brother now warm inside there. Till they reach us and they draw the dead body. They don't already call home, say have an accident, die. As he reach home, they test him. They say, the chest warm. As I'm talking now, Gabriel is still alive. The chest warm, but he did not die. They now rush into General Hospital from Rome. They stayed there 3 months. That boy not they shake leg, not they shake hand, but the soul was just what? The breathing they come up every day. After 3 months, I'll go there, go bread, because I don't already do introduction in my marriage that time. I'll run, go carry food, go give my father. My father just stay with her with the mother, the late mother, just stay with her for inside the hospital there. I'll go give them food. Small time, my father now say, come. Because of this attack, only one boy. When one see bring money for my family, I will just open, I made this child just die. He said, please, let me give him, let me buy snuff. Still know this snuff when they put for nose. I said, who's that one start? He said, forget, even though battery now, he go take him before this boy die. Only one boy, when even the same money come, when even buy television come, now they carry just like that for 3 months, you know they turn, you know they wake. Before this boy die, he go just follow. I beg. I said, Daddy, why you go just die? That time I don't really do my introduction. They never complete the marriage. I said, why you go just die now? To reach market, I come buy the snow. I come pray for the snow. I come go give him. As I read there, I give him food. The mother go eat. The people when they there go carry the food. My father no they eat. Said, Daddy, you eat now. He said, maybe give him the snow. You don't give me what I like. I can't give him the snow. He can't they looked. Small times he put the snow for nose. In my present, he can't take little inside the snuff. He can't put for that my stepbrother knows when they bed. They feed some CG, feed some many things. Then to support the breathing. Then he can't put them for his nose. He can't remove the oxygen, put the snuff for his nose, and blow air inside the nose. Behold. As he just blown, he just sneak 3 times. And he's stretching his leg. He can't they drag. We call the nurse. Doctor, Daddy, what are you doing? He said, shut up. Shut up. May he die, may he die. Since 3 months down there. May he just die, may everything end here. May I come off for suffer. Behold, when he doing, he can't raise up here. He can't try to raise up here. The 4th time, he can't get up. He can't get up. And he can't look everywhere. They say, you know where you did? He don't even know anybody. Then my father run, go bring water. He comes straight out to run. He collect the water, he drink and keep the cup. They go bring another one. He take the water. The doctor, the nurse, all of them come, they look. Behold, my brother is still alive. He have 5 boys now. He did not have a female. Just to buy car. Till now, he did not even try basket. Till now, to buy. Say because I buy car now, they want to take my life. Now they use my leg. That's what the demon of poverty can do in the family. To round it up, the boy was the child. He can't lost in memory for some months. God still restored the memory back. Then before they now marry, give the man, give the boy. Till now, he living with his family. He go back to the same canoe. As he go back, they can't run. Say spirit, he don't come. Person when he die, he take come back. He said, I'm alive, I did not die. God did not accept me. They return me back. I am alive. Child of God. Now, when he reach my turn, when I enter inside this prayer, change start coming. Could you believe me? This useless spirit rise. Say, I'm being your family for many years. Don't try yourself. I say, who are you? He say, of course. He said, demon of standards. That's why you always hear me using the prayer points. I said, from where? I said, be in this family. Nobody will make it. I said, for me. Me. make it. He now count the people that enter church when he key. And really, life story. Anyone when you enter Christianity, don't ego remove him. Say my case is what? Quite different. Me go kill you for this family. And really God give me the grace to finish it. The day when he break among that there. The Lord when that demon of poverty don't carry. Most of my old members hear me. This is the third time I'm saying it now in the altar. I told all this all the day big glory. All the days big glory. When they use wood, they call it not jacket in that time. When they carry loot. Now they carry property of people. In fact, fridge day inside. Generator day inside. This is property when my people, the late one, the one when they are alive, don't. Anyone when is poor physically, you don't enter inside that there things. Then inside the revelation, you see to turn the leg of the lorry. He now turn upside down the whole property down, pour down. The property now pour down, and he cut. After 3 months, the last said, I say taller than this pillar. Demon of war, stand and say, get up. Oh, you demon of stand and say, my family.
Oh, you demon of stand and say.
Okay, let me use the common language when you understand. Oh, you demon of poverty in my family.
Oh, you demon of poverty, my
that fighting the weight of my family.
that fighting the weight of my family.
As I discover you today,
As I discover it,
I must be recovered
I must be recovered
out of poverty.
out of poverty.
I command you now.
I command you now.
Die.
Die.
I separate myself
I separate
out
myself
of the poverty in my family.
with my
Holy
family.
Ghost,
Hey.
Holy Ghost,
Hey.
Holy Ghost.
Hey.
If you keep quiet now, you know prayer. Cut it down.